Hey guys, in this video it's going to be a little bit different. We are not going to focus on physical exercises like we usually do. We're going to focus on a very important exercise for our life and for this 2025. This exercise is nothing but a goal setting and visioning exercise for ourselves. You see, a lot of times we do not set proper goals for the year, and this just results in the year going all around but not achieving the things that we want to achieve. So in this visioning exercise, I'm going to guide you as a therapist what you can aim towards to for your recovery journey and your rehabilitation journey. Welcome to Basically Physio. My name is Suresh and I'm a physiotherapist. So I urge you to actually watch this video and try this exercise because I truly believe that if you engage deeply with these exercises, you can actually change your 2025 and actually make this year the best year of your life, as cliche as it sounds. So to start off this exercise, I want you to draw a circle and I want you to divide it into 5 different categories. It is going to be your mobility, your sleep, diet, mental health, and social connection. For each of this category, I want you to pause the video now and rate this from 0 to 10. 0 being the least satisfaction that you're getting right now, and 10 being the most happiness that you are right now. So if let's say you are having difficulty with your sleep and you want to improve it, currently you are at 4, then put it at 4 out of 10. So do it for each of this category and do not judge yourself. This exercise is just to simply create a self-awareness for yourself so that you know what area you want to work on this year and actually achieve your goal by the end of this year. Now that you have rated all these categories, I want you to take a good look at this circle and identify which is the area that you want to work on that will give you the most satisfaction by the end of this year. So for example, for you, it could be just improving your sleep, and this will actually impact in all other areas of your life. So that is the area that you want to choose to work on this year. For some others, it could be diet. For some others, it could be mobility. I want you to take a moment to reflect on this question. By the end of this year, if the chosen category you are able to increase it to an 8 or a 9, what would your life look like at the end of 2025? So I hope you have been doing these exercises as we are going through the video, and if you are and if you are keen to share, please do so in the comment section. I'll be sure to reply to you and even guide you if you require it. So now we are going to focus on the next 90 days with this one category that we want to improve. Why 90 days is because if you're going to set this goal for the end of this year, then it is a very easy way for you to forget it after a few months. But if you're putting 90 days in about 3 months, the goal to achieve is much more shorter for your time span, and this will actually put it at the front of your awareness and you'll be more inclined to do something, take action towards this goal. Hence 90 days. So what we want to do next is for the chosen category, wherever you're starting, I want you to think of what your life will look like when you are increasing it by 1 or 2 points for the next 90 days. For example, for your sleep category, this improvement in 1 or 2 points can look something like going to bed on time, reducing your screen time prior to bed, removing any food or caffeine that is causing you to have difficulty falling asleep on time, or just having enough activity during the day so that you are tired enough by the end of the day and you have a good sleep. This is some things that you can do to improve it and move this needle from where you are currently to 1 to 2 points ahead of you. Another example is for your mobility. If you are only walking around your house and eventually you want to walk outside your house, then however long you are doing the walking within your house, for example, is 2 minutes, if you're going to move it by 1 or 2 points up the scale towards the 10, then I want you to increase your walking by about 30 seconds to 1 more minute extra over the next few weeks, slowly and gradually. And eventually by 90 days, you will be able to walk outside your house and you'll be much more stronger as well. So for each of these categories, I want to leave it up to you to actually look at how or where you are right now in the score and how the next 1 or 2 points can look like for you. So as we're coming towards the end of the video, I really want to urge you to work towards these goals that you have made for yourself and really look at it every single day and believe that you can actually achieve it. If you require further help, especially for strengthening exercises or balance exercises, especially involved in the mobility category, then these are some of the videos that may help you. I'm going to link some of it in the description and also around this video and you can take a look at them to actually get better and achieve some of these goals. So I wish you good luck, and in 90 days I really do want to see you guys getting better and stronger so that you can live more independently and more happier for yourself. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.